okay.
Hey everybody, this is James Tsai, and you're watching an episode of Hey Dog, You're Okay.
Axel. It's alright. It's alright. I just don't want him pulling out just in case something happens. That's all. Give him full lead. It's okay. I know. It's alright. If he wants to come up, he can go up and say hi to me and all that. You're okay. Axel. It's alright. It's alright. Just let him. Go ahead. You can let him. It's okay. Yeah, just let him. That's all. That's all. Axel.
Been like this for a while. And
how old is he?
he's almost 6.
He's almost 6.
Bark like this at everybody, but if he bit my stepbrother when my stepbrother trapped. He bit one of our friends in the face. We don't know what happened. He doesn't like to be hugged by anyone basically than me.
Well, you know, most guys don't.
Yeah.
Anyway, so when I'm doing, I'm making eye contact with him, he's starting talking and all that stuff. So it's alright. It's okay. And don't be panicked. And again, if something happens, just don't react. So I'm wearing a thicker jacket. It's not going to help that much, but we're going to leave the muzzle on it. And there's a plate on the other side of the fence that you can kind of watch for safety. I already know it's going to be pretty straightforward. Probably about 47 minutes. So I don't know what the time is right now. 11, 12, so by 12 o'clock we should be able to have him interacting with the other dogs, even if he is still muzzled.
Yeah, but with
Axel, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Let me work it out. That's all. You can just hold it still. You don't have to pull it. Yeah. Just let it go. It's okay. You're okay, Axel. Right? I'm not just. It's not that I'm being brave. What is this? I'm letting him know that all those things that he feels upset about, it's not done. You see, he's like, oh, okay, whatever. Because I'm not reacting the way people would normally react. Giving him respect as well. So that's why I have to get eye contact with him. Now he's looking at the next target. Yeah. Which is Jason here. That's all. So just understand, you're okay, see? It's okay if he pulls up, let him just have the full lead. Don't worry about pulling him back. Yeah. Totally, it's okay. If he hits me in the face, he hits me in the face. It's not good. Right?
Kind of his reaction now, the pullback.
Yeah, and it sucks, right? Because, I have much more difficult dogs. So it's okay. It's alright. It's totally cool. Axel, hi, so you're okay? He bit someone in the face.
Yeah.
He usually makes a sound and then opens his mouth. And just kind of
Yeah, when people are too close, that's he doesn't growl.
Like this, right? They're like, you're okay. You're okay, right? That's with you. So that way, you're okay, right? You know that little bit of pullback on me, right? So that's what happens. You're okay. Okay, you're alright. So we're not teasing him. We're just letting him have his time. Just letting him work it all. Unfortunately, he got designated that way from the city. There's no appeal process. Axel, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Right, so his eyes have softened up a bit, right? His eyes have softened up a bit. Hi, silly boy. You're okay. You're okay. See, now we have direct eye contact here. Hi, silly boy. Hi, silly boy. Axel. 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 Hi, silly boy. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. It's okay. You're okay. It's alright. Right, so not any of that reaction. Right? So that's it. There you go. So now he's coming down a bit. So I'm going to get you to just swap this up. You're okay. You're okay, Axel. You're okay. Put this lead on. You're okay, Axel. See, I'm looking up at you now. Right? I'm looking up. So here we go. Axel. You're okay, see? That's all right. You see that? That approach is just a little bit different for him. That's all. Right? So it's all. So now they're going to say, well, why does he react like this way? You go ahead and put it on.
You take this one off?
Yeah. Or you can leave it on actually. And yeah, just attach on all through. So people are going to say fear, reactive, and all those things. You can let go of him now. Axel, you can go ahead. It's okay. Just let go of him. It's all right. Right? Axel, you're okay. Right? You're okay. Right? So now what I'm going to do is just give him a little bit of acknowledgement that I have the lead on. Actually, you got it. It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. Here we go. You're okay. You're okay.
You're okay. So that's why I want to make sure he can't get out there. Now he's afraid, right? Because that's down there. So he's outside the length of the lead. You're okay, Axel. You're okay. You're okay. Axel, you're okay. There's no more attack, right? Because I've given him that safety, that point that he feels is alright. We're just gonna walk Axel, you're okay. You're okay, You're okay.
And you see those guys. Those guys are twice his size, right? Yeah. But it's a psychological issue. So when we're walking, I'm gonna touch him. You're okay. You're okay. There you go. You're okay. You're okay. This is gonna be okay. You're okay. Good boy. He's trying to yawn. Yeah. See, I'm moving the fingers right his face. There's no reaction because I've got the lead for one thing, but also I'm giving him a bit more stability, right? So I'm still conscious that he might be under my face here. And I'm going to see about touching his under his rib cage. I'm going to see about that. He's going to be all right. Right as he's watching me here. You're okay. Axel. There's no eye. You're okay. You're okay. Right? He was going to react there, right? You saw that? You're okay. Good boy, silly. Good boy. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I'll just walk you guys out there that way. You guys just want to stand on the other side, and then Jason, you'll have to stand on the other side. You can still see through that. I'll take him out that way, and then once I take him out that way, then it'll be. I'll let Lincoln out. Stacy.
Yeah.
I'll just get you to hold on to him for a
Can
second.
Brent do it?
Right here.
I can't do it.
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. All right. So just a second here. I'm gonna get Lincoln out. So now you guys can stand out on this side. Just be. Boy, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Not too far out, Jason.
Okay.
You're okay. Axel, it's okay.
That's a big dog.
And I'll just get you guys to go on the other side because he's still just worried about it. That's all. And I'm gonna let him off the leash a little bit.
You're gonna let him off the leash?
Yeah.
Good job, Surrey. That's going to walk off now. Axel, you're okay. Wait, please.
Walter. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Walter.
Lincoln.
No.
The Lincoln. Say your bye.
Okay, let's go. Stop. Leave it. Stop. Stop. Axel. Right? So it's just a little bit of correction. That's all we need to do.
You're okay.
Lincoln. Hey. No, Lincoln, no.
So we're going to do the interaction. I'm going to take him off lead now. Go. Good boy. He's going to come to the door and look, but that's okay. As long as he doesn't see you guys, it's fine. Axel.
Come on, Surrey boy. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Good boy.
You're okay.
Come on, let's go. Come, Surrey. Let's go. Good. Come on, Surrey boy. Good job.
Good job. Yeah, you come through now. So he's very, shy. So he doesn't know how to interact with other dogs. So they're just being a little bit anxious. Axel!
Silly boy. You're okay.
Megan! Walter! Did you get that? Careful. I'm taking the lead off of mine. He still has the lead.
Okay, Sammy's gonna come out.
Here we go. Right, no, Axel. Axel. Nice silly boy. Come on. Nice boy. Nice silly boy. Hi, Axel. Hi, silly boy. See how smart he is? He's looking at. Hey, stop! Stop! Settle down. You see how smart he is? He's looking for ways to get out.
You want to just look through? Like not open the door, but just look through? Yeah, his muzzle's off. He's had drink water and everything, and he's laying in the grass with James, and James has been petting him and all that. He's come to the gate, and he has been barking at me.
Is he still on a leash?
Yeah, he's on, but he was walking around. The leash is on, but James not holding it, so he can go where he wants, right? James just wants to see his reactivity to the other dogs and all that, and if he, gets anxious or whatever and all that. He brought out Sammy. She's a small dog. She's missing her hind legs.
Oh, yeah.
So, and there was no reactivity to her.
Boy, Axel! You guys can come out now. Don't touch him. Just let him be. Just let him work it out. Right? He's right by Jason. He doesn't care. He feels safe. Don't touch him. Just say, Axel, it's okay. Axel, it's okay. Hey, silly boy. Don't give him any attention, right? This is exactly what he's trying to get. That's all. Hi, silly boy. Hi, silly boy. Yeah. So he needs socialization. He's being able to go out and play with dogs. He's not aware of what's going on with how to interact. He's just so focused because you guys are his only safety. But you see, hey? Yeah, and I can see Mom, she's like, and when I talk to you on the phone, you're just like, yeah, okay, right, buddy, you're gonna get bit in the face and all that stuff, right? So.
I'm so nervous. Thank you so much.
No, you're very welcome. So he just needs to go out and have socialization. Hi, silly boy. That's a hi, silly boy. And he's gonna become a little possessive now because you guys are here. That's all. That's why I said don't give him attention, otherwise he starts pushing back again. What question? Any questions you have? I know Brent's like, yeah, no, but really because they have a soul. They're essentially seeing certain key issues that are affecting his dysfunction. Right now he has that codependency, and it's a desperation that he has of that loss of territory, of that loss of possession, the loss of family, and without socialization. Hello, Mr. Axel. Hi, silly boy. Without socialization, he does well. And then my pet will I'll have your address. So they'll send out the bottle of organic CBD oil. Yeah, and that'll help. I mean, you can use it for yourself. It's human grade. But I mean, it'll be good for him just to address any ailments he might have. Well, it's annoying, right? So he's not coming to me, right? Because he knows this is safety, but he still doesn't trust me. That's why I say don't touch him as much. Give him less attention so he becomes more independent and he grows up a bit more. Being a puppy, right? And we don't want that. That's why he's jumping on you. It's not a sign of dominance, it's a sign of desperation. If you can tell that with his personality, and that's how simple it is. It's because it's understanding what's wrong with him. It's also the fact that the commitment is there to save his life and to make him feel happier psychologically.
I was so panicked. I watched all your videos. I'm like, I don't think he's ever done with the dog again. So I watch every single one of your videos.
You know, I said level 5 yesterday, right?
Yeah.
He's back to level 4. He's now to about a level 2.5.
Okay.
Yeah. And then my scale of dogs is real world experience. So, and without treats, without medication, because there's a reason there's something wrong with him, and it's actually because he hurts. And it's up to the person, the trainer, the behaviorist, to do the work to understand what's wrong and why he hurts. And when we understand why he hurts, that's how we help him heal.
right? And that's got to come from the soul, not from someone. You see that? And he didn't react to sand. He's got 2 legs. So just like a regular dog. So he's got inside of it. There was boxer looking. See that? And that's why he's running back and forth. That's it. He only needs you guys. It's protected. So when you're holding him on the lead, when you're holding him on the lead, you're going to give him full length. That's a 4-foot lead. So you're going to give him a full length. You're not going to go this. You're not going to step back. And use all those things, right? We all do it because it's our own nervousness. Translates to his leash reactivities. So it's just, anyways. I mean, I could go on, but you're just going to talk to him in a regular tone like that. And you see in the beginning how I was talking different, like monotone, like was inflecting, I was changing the tone, I was making the speed different, all these things just to catch up to see what was working with him. When I found what was working with him in a couple of seconds, then I make the adjustment and I follow it through, and then I make tonal difference. That's what it is. If he's going up to the door, he doesn't care about Lincoln, he doesn't care about Walter, he doesn't care about Sam, he doesn't care about Loki. He doesn't give 2 hoots. Yeah. Jesse, you want to do the shot? He's there, he doesn't care. He's laying right. Go take a picture. It's show your friends, yeah. He doesn't care. Only because he thinks you're leading. That's all. You ignore him, and he'll go back again. Watch. See that? Ignore him, and he'll go back in. That's because you can read dogs this way. It's personality. There you go. And when you talk to him, you can say, Alex, good boy. Alex, it's okay. You're okay. Alex, normally, not slowly. Not normally, go faster.
Axel, you're okay.
Just wait. That's all. Just ignore him. And he'll go back. Right? See how he looks at you? That's all. Right? He's going to go back. He'll go back and lay down. That's understanding dog behavior. That's come on. There you go. There you go. Right? And I can come up to him without having to hold too much slack on him now. You okay, silly boy? Good boy. Right? Because we want to watch everything that's going on in his eyes and his body, and then that way we're letting him know he's feeling safe. Hi, silly boy. Right? Because he's not worried about me. He's not worried about you. Because you've covered that area. That area there, you've covered. And me, I've covered this area. So for him, he's always looking back because he can't cover those areas. So when we start doing the visual check, right? If we start looking in the back there, he's going to keep his head more up front now because I'm watching the back for him. Do you see that? Right, Loki? Hi, silly boy. And if I turn my head over here, then he'll start to look at the back again. This is that part. Hi, silly boy. That's just the aspect of protection. That's all. Okay, let's go, silly. Come over here.